Civics. Chapter 22. Judiciary. Exercises. 1. Fill in the blank with an appropriate word. 1. Country's highest court is the Supreme Court. 2. The retirement age of the Supreme Court judge is 65. 3. There are 25 high courts in the country. 4. The Supreme Court judges are appointed by the President of India. 2. Discuss in groups and answer. 1. What are the main functions of the judiciary? Answer. The main functions of the judiciary are 1. The courts interpret the laws framed by the legislature. 2. They give judgments relating to disputes between individuals, and between individuals and the government. 3. They perform the important task of protecting the life, property, dignity and rights of the citizens. 4. The courts are not controlled by either the legislature or the executive, they function impartially and independently. 2. Which is the highest court of law in our country? Answer. The highest court of law in our country is the Supreme Court. 3. What are the qualifications necessary to be a High Court judge? Answer. The qualifications necessary to be a High Court judge are 1. Must be a citizen of India. 2. Must have served under the Indian judiciary for at least 10 years, or must have served as an advocate of the High Court for 10 years. 4. What are the functions of the Supreme Court? Answer. The functions of the Supreme Court are 1. Resolving the disputes between the Union and the states, and between the states. 2. Issuing writ petitions to safeguard the fundamental rights of the citizens. 3. Interpreting the provisions of the Constitution. 4. Giving advice and opinion of the Supreme Court to the President when asked for. 5. Framing necessary regulations. 5. How can delay in providing justice be avoided? Answer. The delay in providing justice be avoided with following measures. Appointing efficient enough judges. Complicated process should be made simple. Using modern technology to boost the procedure. Legal institutions like Lok Adalat should be set up in more numbers to fasten the process. 6. Should the judiciary be given more powers or not? Answer. Yes. Courts should be given more power. This is because, in a democratic system, courts need to be empowered further to ensure that justice is accessible to common people at minimal cost.